Hello friends, welcome. This is Albert Pinto once again with you. Welcome to my multi-channel. So this is the road which will lead you to the caves. A very clean and good looking road with greenery on both the sides. Today I'm going to cover up the Arvalem caves or the Harvalem caves. It is either pronounced as Arvalem or Harvalem caves and also known as the Pandava caves. These caves are located near the Bicholim Taluka, just nearby the Arvalem Waterfalls. And this is the place, the Pandava caves. This is the Arvalem caves complete description. As you know, Goa is rich in history which extends very much before the arrival of the Portuguese in Goa. Goa is gifted with abundance of natural beauty too. Distance from Panjim is about 29 kilometers and from Vasco da Gama railway station it's about 46 kilometers. It is believed that the five Pandava brothers lived here during their 12th years of exile. It's a rock-cut cave. Out of the 5 compartments, 3 small compartments with lingas placed in each of them. Have timings. The security check post is open from 9 to 1 and 2 to 5. A perfect historical place to visit with your family or friends. It's one of less explored place in Goa, extremely well maintained and protected under ASI. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Until I come back again with another unexplored place from Goa. Take care and see you. Bye bye.